Hi, my name is Amanda Rowell, and today I'm going to show you Padlet. I've just started learning to use this over the summer in some of my classes, and definitely will be using this in my library classes this coming fall. So what you do first, you go to Padlet.com. The screen will pop up for you. You have all different things that you can use this for: organizational charts, presentations, video playlists, however you need to use it. So to get started, you either log in with your account already, or you go to sign up, which is totally free. You can use one of these applications here to sign up or use your email. I have already signed up, so let me go and show you my Padlet I already have created. So when you go in and sign up, you're not going to have any Padlets here that you've done. So what you're going to do first to make one is you're just going to click on Make a Padlet. Then you're going to come over and choose your format. You have two different formats, which I like. It keeps it simple. You also have some timelines, grids, stream, walls. I do like using the wall and how it can organize things for you. But you can also choose different walls. Here's one for a stream. But I'm going to go back and actually delete this one. And go back. And I've learned today that they give you a number when you want to delete a Padlet. But I'm going to go back and use a wall and do some sections just to show you how to do that. Here is where you can go and make the title of your Padlet. So let's go and change this to Amanda's Padlet Ideas. You can also put down here a description of what the Padlet is for. I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And then actually I'm going to go to Appearance, which is my wallpaper. And it can let me choose different colors and patterns of background that I can use as well. Ooh, that's nice, the honeybees. And then you can go back and just hit save for that. You can go to Layout, different tabs here for posting and content. Okay, then we'll go back to the heading. You can choose whether you want how you want your font to appear. Very user-friendly using this Padlet. And then with the layout also, it can let you do different things here, filter profanity, do some remakes, what have you. And you can close that box out. So what you can do is down here at the bottom, you can go and add different sections. So for here, let's say we want to go ahead and give this rename this section. And let's say all about bees. I want to hit done. And then let's add another section. And where do bees live? Okay. And I want to hit done here. So from this point, to add additional things under these subtitles here, you click here. And let's see, I'm going to go to a Google search, all about bees. Beekeeping for beginners. So let's say this is a website resource that I want to use. So I'm going to click on the URL there, and I'm going to copy that and go back to my Padlet, and I'm actually going to go, let's see here, right here, and I'm going to go and paste that as a resource and put it here at the top, bee resource. And then I want to go and publish that, and then it'll show up here, and that can be a resource I have already listed. And then I can go and add multiple tabs under each of my subheadings. And if I need to change this, I can also go back and edit those as well. Right here, I can go and edit that, or I can rename it, or I can even delete it if I don't like what I have. So let's go here where do bees live? So let's go back to that search. I'm sorry. Let's see here. Where do bees live? And see what we get up here. Busy beekeeping. Let's check this out. Okay, so we have some information here. about the bees. Where do bees live in the wild? So let's say I have this image here that I really like. So I want to copy this image. I want to go back to my Padlet. And I want to click this link here. Oh, it's not letting me upload that. Okay, so I'm going to go to image search and type, where do bees live? Oh, there we go. Here we go, some hives. So I do like this picture here. So I'm going to click on this one. And it's automatically going to attach it to my frame here. And then I want to put here as a title, beehive. And then I can go back to that website. And if there's information on that website, let's say bees could live, I want this information right here. Most of the time you're able to highlight that and copy and paste it. So I'm just going to go back to my Padlet, and down here at the bottom I'm going to just write a little short thing here. Bees live in a hive that they build cells. And let's say I'm done with that. I will go ahead and publish that. And then if I find more information about where bees live, I can click here and add more tabs under each section. So I do like using this. And then when you're done, what you can do is go here and you can make it a QR code. You can share it on Facebook. You can share it in Google Classroom, or you can copy the link to a clipboard, and then you can email it to people to where they can see that and give them access to your Padlet that you created. And let me show you some Padlets that I've already created so far this year. I created this one today for a class, made a Latina collection with different cultures. I've got several things here under the Puerto Rico culture, different books that I have selected just about Puerto Rico. And then I did the Mexican culture and have several books just relating to the Mexican culture. And then I had other Latino cultures that I added here. And then under this one, under this tab with book resources, I have some resources that people can click on and go straight to. So I do like the fact that you can click on these and go straight to those sites and read all about that information. Another Padlet that I have created was for the Caldecott Award Book Review. These are several books that are part of the Caldecott Award. And so they've been listed here by me and some other classmates of books. So you can showcase different things using the Padlet. You could do a question. I also found this today, that there's a gallery. You can go and see different walls. I do like this one. It's a class compliment board where the teacher posted it and allowed students to go in and say a positive thing about each other. And then they put a picture to go along with it. I thought that was a very good idea, and I want to use that in my class coming up for my classroom this year. And you can also go in and bookmark those to where on my site, here are my bookmarks. These are things I've gone through and bookmarked that I liked. Here was one with a timeline of a calendar that they put together with different things that had happened. And then they were able to add those resources and things there. Another one I did was, here you could do this for the children, which fast food chain has the best burger, and do a voting poll that way, where they go in and vote and rate different things. So many different uses for the Padlet. I really like it. It's very user friendly. With me not knowing much about technology, this has been a great tool for me to learn very quickly and be able to use it in my classes and complete the assignments. I hope you'll give it a try, and I hope it works out for you. Thank you.